hero. Okay? You have one power. Tell me, what would be this power? And what would use it this power? Okay? Con ustedes, Ampa.
Thank you. Respected Toastmasters, ladies and gentlemen, I am a hero. I have one superpower. In fact, each one of you are heroes. Each one of us has something very unique. It's not I'm making it. I'm telling you something truth. The power I have got inbuilt, which is smile. I don't have any enemies on this planet who is against me. Wherever I interact with people, I smile, I make them my family. This is the tool we should all carry. I don't speak your language, but I'm sitting there, I'm enjoying with you, I'm smiling, I'm connecting with you. And I've been to 82 countries where I don't speak their languages, Russia, China, you name the countries. I went there, but with one language, I was able to make connection with them. That was smile. That is my superpower. And you have that power too. You can make people your friends, your family. And this is what we needed. This entire world, we have chaoses fighting with each other. I'm trying to steal something you have. You are trying to steal something what I have. But we are not trying to understand that our life is very short. Why we are so greedy? Why we cannot make this harmony, peace, camaraderie? We can get out from this serendipity of our own living. We can get out from that. Ladies and gentlemen, this is one power I have it. I own it. I'm a hero of many people. If not you, but there are some people who consider me their hero. My family. You are my family. Let's be hero of each other and make this world a better place. Back to you.